As scientists, it's important for us to review our practice, whether to continue with what we are used to or to change practice based on available evidence. As a resident in Gombe, I observed that most times when we engage women to do a test called VDRA for syphilis in their antenatal clinic, these results hardly come back positive. And the few that come back positive are actually false positive. When they came back to Maiduguri, disabling. So we decided to review this practice over a period of 10 years. And the prevalence we found was 0.05%. So yes, in 1996, other researchers found a prevalence of 4.3%. It's okay to continue with the practice with this high prevalence, but do we still need to continue with this routine practice with a prevalence of 0.05%? And that's why we call it the title. Is routine antenatal screening for syphilis in Nigeria still justified clinically and economically? With a prevalence of 0.05%, is this justified clinically? We don't think so. Economically, the former CBN governor, Lamido Sanusi, said that if Borno and Yobe were countries, they would have been the poorest countries in the world. So, the cost of this test can buy hematinics throughout the pregnancy, can buy 2 doses of antimalarials throughout pregnancy. These are more important reproductive health challenges in this part of the world than syphilis. Agreed, we cannot change practice based on a single study. And that's why we recommend for a multi-center study, so that we decide on whether we can change this practice or not.